This is not a sewing video, but I wanted to show you, my daughter-in-law got me this. I don't know where she got it. I think it was a house they're cleaning out. And so it's a vintage Buttoneer, the 5-second button attacher. And as seen on TV, it retailed for $4.99. And then to load, place fasteners in slot and turn wheel. So basically, it looks like there's like a little gem type thing on here. Very old. I don't know what kind of condition it's in. The box looks brand new. It doesn't even look used. Oh, I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. So it has the instructions. I don't know if you guys kind of geek out on vintage stuff like this, but I love it. I love old sewing tools. So you know what this looks like? It looks like just those tag guns I have. Okay, it looks like there's some stuff in here. I have a clothing tag gun because I used to make and sell children's clothes. And yeah, these look really bad. I have some soap in here, and I'm going to add some hot water, and I'm going to put these in there just to see if I clean them up. Yeah, these are really, look at that, very brittle. So it's probably not going to work, but let's just see what happens. It comes with its own buttons, some kind of little key. But you know what? Let me see what these look like. Oh, let me see. Is there gems on it? Yeah, these look really, really brittle. I'm thinking if I can find these things this short, that I can actually use this. Yeah, these just look really old. I'm going to put these in here and clean them up. Yeah, these things, look at that, just powder. So those are not going to be any good. Okay, here's the tag gun that I have. It's a red arrow. And then these, I'm thinking it looks about the same. Okay, so now these will not work for buttons, but I'm thinking if I can get this in here, then I might actually be able to use this one. No, these are too wide for this opening. Oh, so when you slip this bottom part here in that little hole, and then this crossbar here goes above that wheel, the teeth of the wheel go in between each of these prongs. So yeah, this crossbar area is too wide to go in there. But if I can get one that's shorter, I can actually use this. How cool is that? So it's basically like a tag gun, but smaller. So that's cool. Do you guys have any vintage tools that you like? I also have a weaver, and I would really love to learn how to use it. Maybe I'll do a video on that, and you guys can let me know if you have one. And maybe you guys can show me how to use it if anybody knows. Thanks.